So I just passed Washington, D.C. I'm going to Connecticut right now, and I am at the rest area, but there is nowhere to park. So I am right off of the off-ramp, which is dangerous as shit. I tell people never to do it, but man, I am desperate. I need to stop. I mean, there's other trucks right here, you know, so I mean, I'm not the only one, but still, you know, very dangerous. If you got to do it, man, you know, park on the on-ramp, but I know it's full where I'm at right now, so I mean, I'm just doing what I got to do, but I'm just telling you guys the truth, you know. Off-ramps, very dangerous. Now, I'm feeling a little sick to my stomach because, man, I went to the rest area, you know, I had to take a number 2, and I don't know how you other guys are, but I had to dip the wiener in, you know, the toilet. That's how I usually do it. You know, I don't leave it out, but dude, the water was so high, it dipped in the water. Believe me, the water was high, you know, because mine won't touch the water in the toilet. I just feel disgusted with that right now. I mean, I didn't take a shower again. I start my trip today right next to Baltimore. I gotta drive through Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York to get to Connecticut. Alright, I finally made it to Connecticut. I'm over here and I'm at the rest area, Service Plaza, just waiting until tomorrow so that I can start my first shipment. Basically what we're doing is we're grabbing a Penske. I got 2 workers. We're doing a military shipment, essential work here, people. And I'll break down what it costs, the money, expenses, and all the troubles along the way. But, you know, I appreciate you guys so much for just jumping on this journey. Last question I have to ask you guys is, you know, can guys get UTI? Because I'm peeing a lot.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.